Hello, how are you doing? Punctuation is used to convey and clarify the meaning of written language. So punctuation is a necessity in written English. Today we are going to talk about the comma. Of course, I am Rashmi from an English Nut. Let's get started. A comma is a punctuation mark that separates words, clauses, or ideas within a sentence. A comma indicates a smaller break in a sentence. It's a soft pause. Number 1. Commas are used to separate independent clauses when they are joined by the coordinating conjunctions and, but, for, or, nor, so, yet. For example, I ran fast but missed the train. I showed her the directions, yet the girl didn't seem to understand. Tomorrow is my sister's birthday, so I'm going to arrange a party. Number 2. Commas are used after introductory clauses, that is, dependent clauses. For example, if you want to lose your weight, you should exercise every day. Because she was ill, she didn't attend the classes. While she was watching TV, someone knocked at the door. Number 3. Commas are used after introductory phrases. For example, to get the coupon, you had better come early. After the test, I went swimming. Having finished the cooking, she left the kitchen. Number 4. Commas are used after introductory words like yes, however, well. For example, yes, you have to come tomorrow at 2 p.m. Well, I'm not sure. However, the new boss may not be satisfied with the project. Number 5. Use a pair of commas in the middle of the sentence to set off clauses, phrases, or words that are not essential to the meaning of the sentence. For example, that Thursday, which happens to be his birthday, is the only day when he is available to meet. So we use 2 commas. We use 1 comma before the non-essential clause and 1 comma after the non-essential clause. The new restaurant has a beautiful ambience. The food, on the other hand, is rather bland. I love this garden. This particular area, however, is my favorite. Number 6. Commas are used to separate 3 or more words, phrases, or clauses written in a series. For example, she brought lilies, sunflowers, and roses for the bouquet. The student promised to do his homework, attend the classes regularly, and complete his journals. Rohan argued that the culprit was at the scene of the theft, who had a suitcase with him and who had a duplicate key, was guilty of the theft. Number 7. Use commas to separate 2 or more coordinate adjectives that describe the same noun. For example, he is a difficult, obstinate child. Your sister has a beautiful, happy smile. Number 8. Use a comma near the end of a sentence to separate coordinated or contrasted elements or to indicate a distinct pause or shift. For example, the dog seems friendly, even faithful. He is clever, not sly. Number 9. Use commas to set off phrases at the end of the sentence that refer to the beginning or the middle of the sentence. For example, Julie enjoyed the entire film, laughing joyously. Laughing joyously, Julie waved at Lucy. Number 10. Use comma to set off geographical names, items in dates, addresses, etc. For example, June 20, 1962 was a memorable day in his life. She lives at 160 Hill Avenue, New York. Number 11. Use a comma to shift between the main discourse and a quotation. For example, she said, I'll meet you tomorrow. I'm ready, she replied, to complete the project. Lastly, use comma wherever necessary to prevent possible confusion or misreading. For example, to Ramesh, Rohan had been his mentor. So friends, I hope you found this video useful. Do like, share, comment and subscribe. See you soon. Have a nice day.